Hey, how's it, Buildforce? So, Paul, thank you. So, yeah, today's been the restock day, yeah, the long awaited. And yeah, again, we're just packing orders already. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So, really exciting times. Yeah, so look at that. Our first perfect grade already gone. You know, it's already been reserved. Oh, and yeah, sure, lots of exciting colored model kits from Gundams to Pokemon, so much variety, and thank you guys so much. Without you guys, yeah, oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you guys bring the love.
Yeah, you guys rock so much. So soon, obviously over the weekend, the couriers won't pick them up, but on Monday, as soon as possible, and yeah, you should get them on Tuesday.
And also, obviously, they're available for store collection.
Yes, yeah. So those people that selected local pickup, it's ready for you to pick them up tomorrow. Yeah.
Yay, that's Saturday. Woo.
Cool. Until next time, guys, keep building joy. Yay.